Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's the video about the PUBG Mobile gaming test on this device. This is the Sharp Echoes R2, but we're gonna do it with the FPS meter on. So I have installed this app called KF Mark, and we're gonna see how this device can run this the PUBG Mobile. So just install the KF Mark. If you want to see how to install this app, you can watch videos on YouTube. It is right here. Just add this game and play this, and we'll see. Here it is, the FPS, and we'll see how much FPS this device is giving us in this game. Guys, as you can see, the game has been started, and this is the FPS meter. First of all, I'll show you the settings. You can see smooth plus extreme. So we're gonna start the arena training first, and then we'll see how this device can handle that. Right now it is on 60 FPS, but we'll see after playing for some time. We'll see how this device can handle. Guys, as you can see, the game has been started. We're gonna take some guns, and now I'll play the game.
Team match, let's go.
So as you can see, we're still getting 90 FPS. I mean 60 FPS.
Team has scored for
Can
the
see that.
first time. Kill.
That was pretty cool, guys.
Target down. Reloading. Cover me. Dead.
So guys, still you can see we're getting 60, 59, 60 FPS, which is very nice and very cool. Oh shit.
Down. No mercy.
That was pretty cool. So as you can see that still this device is giving more than 50 FPS. You can see 60, it drops up to 55, but still it is going to 60 FPS, which is very nice.
Target down. Cover me. Dead. Reloading. Nice shot. Cover me. No mercy. Reloading. Killing spree for the blue team. Cover me.
As you can see, the game is running still very well. So we're gonna switch to the HDR real quick, and we'll see how much difference does it make. Now it is on 45, 40 to 45 FPS. You can see 40 FPS right now. On ultra it gives 40 FPS, so you know. That was, so as you can see, 40 FPS, which is very cool still. So guys, even after playing it for a while, it is still giving 40 fps on the HDR settings, which is very cool.
Be careful. You're losing the game.
The red team is about to win. Killing spree for the red team.
No mercy. Reloading. Red team victory.
So guys, as you can see, even after playing it for a while, it is still giving us very nice fps. So now we're gonna play the classic match, and then we'll see how much fps does it give. So now we'll play smooth plus extreme again, and we're gonna switch to the classic match. As you can see, Ranger. Let's turn on this. So guys, as you can see, the game has been started. So I just paused the video, and I have been playing this game for a while now. You can see it is now very warm, but still it is giving us 60 fps, which is very cool. Even after playing it for a while, it is still giving us 60 fps. 4 GB RAM and Snapdragon 845. The Sharp Echo R2 is a great device. Can you guys still giving us 60 fps this game? So guys, still getting 60 fps, no lags at all. If you want to play this game, I would definitely recommend you to buy this device. This is just amazing. Just just do one thing, that don't buy this device if you are in a warmer area, because it can get a little bit overheated. Now it is overheating, but the fps are not dropping at all. They are on 60, more than 50 fps. That is enough for me, for anybody in that matter. You can see still very smooth gameplay, no lags at all. So now we're gonna quickly switch to the HDR, and then we'll see how this device can handle that. It is still very cool. You can see that, guys. Even with HDR settings, it is still holding pretty nice. You can see that, guys, no lags at all, very smooth gameplay. So you can see that it is on HDR, and we're getting 40 fps on ultra settings, and on smooth plus extreme it is good. So just keep in mind that Snapdragon 845 is a very nice processor. if you want to play PUBG, you can definitely get this. The battery time is not that great, but it's not that bad also. It was on about right now you can see it is on 53% the battery. When I started the game it was about 72%, I guess, so that's not that bad. I am playing this game for like half an hour, so that's good. So guys, let in the comment section below that if you like this device. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please subscribe for more amazing latest videos, and peace out.